Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Nissan Sentra. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, locate your starter motor, which is usually found near the transmission. Before you begin, ensure you have all the right tools, including a good set of wrenches and a ratchet. This preparation makes the job much smoother. With the battery disconnected, you can now safely remove the electrical connections from the old starter. There will typically be a main power cable and a smaller solenoid wire. Next, use your ratchet and appropriate socket to unbolt the starter's mounting bolts. These are usually 2 or 3 bolts. Once unbolted, carefully maneuver and extract the old starter from its housing. Now, take your new starter and carefully position it into place, ensuring the mounting holes align perfectly. Insert and hand-tighten the mounting bolts first, then use your ratchet to tighten them securely to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reconnect all the electrical wires, starting with the solenoid wire and then the main power cable, ensuring they are snug. With the new starter installed and all connections secure, it's time for the final steps. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's tight. Then, get into your vehicle and attempt to start the engine. If everything was done correctly, your engine should crank over and start smoothly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.